Hey, welcome back. Today I'm comparing 4 induction cooktops, 2 built-ins and 2 tabletop models. This Tramontina for $60, this Duxtop for $50. The first one is a Frigidaire, which was about $1,000, 36-inch, 5-burner, and is 220 volts. The procedure is 2 cups of tap water into a induction capable pot. Once the water is in, I turn on the burner full blast and start the clock. So here we go. I'll start the burner, start the clock, and I'll check it every 30 seconds until there is a raging boil. And we'll stop the clock then. At 30 seconds, there's not a whole lot to report. At 1 minute, it's about the same. 1 minute and a half, starting to see some bubbles. 2 minutes, still see some bubbles. 2.5 minutes, a little movement on the edge. At 3 minutes, a little more movement on the edge. At 3.5 minutes, some more. And at 4 minutes, I'll call this a boil, because as I kept going longer, there was really no change. Next up is the Thermador. It is a 30-inch 4-burner, 220 volts, and it was about $3,000. Same procedure, 2 cups of water into the exact same pot. I'll start the burner, start the clock, and let's see how it does. At 30 seconds, really nothing to report. At 1 minute, some bubbling starting to occur. At 1 minute and 15 seconds, quite a bit of bubbling. 1 minute and 45 seconds, I'm calling that a raging boil for the Thermador. So right now we have Frigidaire at 4 minutes and Thermador at 1 minute 45 seconds. Next up is the Tramontina. This was $60 at Costco when I bought it, probably about 5 years ago. Same procedure, water into the pan, turn it on, start the clock. So let's see what it does. At 30 seconds, nothing to report. At 1 minute, some slight bubbling. At 1.5 minutes, some more bubbling. At 2 minutes, we have some more bubbling. At 2.5 minutes, starting to get a small boil. At 3 minutes, I'm calling that a boil. So the Tramontina is at 3 minutes to boil 2 cups of water. Next up is the Duxtop. I bought this off of Amazon for I think about $58 3 or 4 years ago. Same procedure. So let's see how this one does. At 30 seconds, nothing to report. At 1 minute, we start to see some bubbling. At 1.5 minutes, some more bubbling. At 1 minute 45 seconds, we've got a slow boil here. And at 2 minutes, I'm calling this a boil for the Duxtop. So here are the results. The Frigidaire at $1,000 boiled the 2 cups of water in 4 minutes. It requires 220 volt and it's a in-home install. The Thermador, also a 220 volt, boiled the same amount of water in 1 minute 45 seconds. The Tramontina, a tabletop, 110, you plug it in the wall, boil 2 cups of water in 3 minutes. I got it about 5 years ago for $70 or $80 at Costco. And then the Duxtop, it came in at 2 minutes and it was the cheapest of all. I think it was $59 off of Amazon when I got it. So what do you think? I mean, you can spend thousands of dollars on an in-home induction cooktop, or you could use these little ones and just plug them into the wall. Your choice, I guess. Let me know in the comments what you think. This is Steve. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.